Well folks, welcome back. Now in this video I'm going to be installing the Evo Footrest adjustable kit for the S1000XR. So if you're interested, then stay tuned. See you in a few. Now, just before Christmas, I treated myself to a brand new set of boots. These are the Revit Expedition Gore-Tex. They're a sort of a touring adventure boot. Fantastic boot, but because of the toe cap slightly thicker than what I'm usually wearing, I'm having a bit of trouble getting under the shifter to change gear. Not too much of an issue, but it is slightly more uncomfortable, a bit more of an effort to get under there. Hopefully it should get better with time as the boots break in, but I thought to myself that I need to sort of get some adjustability somewhere on this, either the shifter or the pegs. Now, SWMOTECH do their Evo Footrest kit, which is fully adjustable, which means I can adjust the height and I can even tip them to the front or tip them to the rear. So I thought I'd go with the pegs. So in this video, we're just going to install this kit and see how we get on. So in the kit themselves, you've got the 2 foot pegs. Now they are slightly sort of larger, more sort of adventure bike orientated. It's got a rubber part on top, which you can remove if you want to go off-road. There's a sort of comparison to the stock pegs to these new sort of adventure pegs, but it means I can adjust the height on these, either to make them higher, lower, and I can also tilt them to the front or to the rear. So a good amount of adjustability on these. So we've got 2 of those. And obviously all my sort of bits and bobs, instructions, Allgemeines Betriebserlaubnis, which means I have to carry this document around with me in my other vehicle docs to say that these parts have been tried and tested and they are road legal. It's just a thing here in Germany. That's just how it is. So we've got these 2 parts here, a couple of springs and a couple of bolts. Nothing too drastic. So first off, we need to remove the stock ones. Now there is a little circlip underneath here. That's going to be an issue, isn't it? Probably have to take that off. Brilliant. L for left, R for right. Attention, the beveled surface of the hinge adapter 1 must be faced upwards. Is installed. Right. That's the first part on. So now this part goes on top like that. So you can see what I mean. If you turn this, there I'd have a low peg at the top there. And if you turn it all the way around, then I'd have a high peg. And that goes on there like that. So I need to find out, I mean the height of my standard pegs was about 40 centimeters. So I want to keep that to a similar height, but I just want to tip them forward like 1 notch. So that should work. So just get me tape measure. Now it was 40 centimeters to the top of the peg. So that's a bit higher actually. So I can probably go lower. Well, that is just about the same. So that's the height I need. So then to change the angle, I just tip them 1 notch to the front. Probably like that. So slightly lower, but I'm going to try that first. Right, happy with that. I'm just going to snug those up and then do the other side.